In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Notion with this simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to refine your skills, effective searching can significantly enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to initiate the search function. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to press Ctrl F. For those of you on a Mac, simply press Cmd F. This keyboard shortcut is universally known as a quick way to start a search, not just in Notion, but across various applications. By doing this, a small search bar will appear somewhere on your screen, usually at the top or near the center, depending on the layout of your specific Notion setup. This search bar is your tool for finding the exact information you need within your document or workspace. Once you have your search bar open, the next thing you'll want to do is type in your keyword. Think of a keyword as the specific word or phrase that most accurately captures what you're trying to find. It could be part of a title, a tag, or even just an important word you remember from a section of text you want to revisit. As you type, you'll notice the search is happening in real time, with Notion immediately starting to pull up matching results. This real-time feedback is incredibly helpful because it allows you to refine your search on the fly. Now that you have some results showing up, the next step is to navigate through these results. You'll be using the arrow keys on your keyboard for this. Typically, the first matching instance will be highlighted, and by using the down arrow, you can move to the next occurrence of your search term. If you overshoot or want to revisit a previous match, simply use the up arrow to go back. This back-and-forth navigation with the arrows is user-friendly and helps ensure you locate the exact information you're searching for without missing any detail. As you navigate through your results, you'll notice that each instance of your keyword is highlighted wherever it appears on the page. This visual cue is essential because it categorically shows you every place your term appears, making it easier to assess the relevance of each instance quickly. These highlights act like beacons, guiding your eyes directly to the pertinent parts of your document. And there you have it. A straightforward method to search through your Notion documents with efficiency and ease. Remember, mastering Notion's search capabilities can save you time and help you stay organized, especially in complex projects or large databases. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this tutorial useful for your journey with Notion. Happy searching, and until next time, take care.